Building a website used to mean hiring a developer, wrestling with code, or spending days figuring out a platform that was not built for you. Acyera changes that. In the next few seconds, you will see exactly how anyone can build a professional website from scratch without writing a single line of code. Straight away, let's begin from the Acyera Sandbox. The first thing you will notice is a default hero block on the screen. Go ahead and remove it, because today you are building something entirely your own. Now, hover over the center of the screen and click the plus icon that appears. A panel opens up, revealing all the available blocks at your disposal. Scroll through, explore, and pick whatever fits your vision. For a deeper look at what each block can do, the resources section on our homepage, Acyera.com, has everything you need. For this example, let's start with a heading block. Select it, and just like that, it appears on your canvas. Now give it life. Type your text directly, or paste it in if you have your content ready. Here, let us make it a level 3 heading and center on the page. With the first block in place, the real fun begins. Add a rich text block next and drop in your content. Now, notice the empty lines that I am adding in the text. It is a simple trick that you can use to give your content breathing room without needing a separate spacer block. Your layout instantly feels more open and readable. One thing worth knowing is that you can add blocks anywhere on the page, either between existing blocks, after the last one, or wherever you spot the plus icon. That is where you can build. Once you have added a few blocks, take a moment to preview your work. The sandbox gives you an accurate preview of how your finished website will look, and you can toggle between desktop and mobile views right here. If you catch anything that needs a tweak, simply jump back in and adjust it before moving forward. Every change you make is saved automatically, but you can always hit the save button to lock in your work manually. When you're happy with what you have built, uploading it to your account and publishing it takes just a few clicks. To go further, visit Acyera.com and click the How to Use Acyera button. You will find a detailed, step-by-step guide covering everything you need to know. This is just the beginning of what you can create. Thanks for watching.